In repair experience, sometimes we meet iPhone problem like this. All sounds works normally when we test them on the setting page. But when we make phone calls, we can't hear ear speaker and loudspeaker. Meanwhile, microphone stop working. In this case, how should we locate the problem reason and how to solve it? Follow us to figure it out with this video. Customer told us this iPhone XS has all above problems. And let's go straight to test these sound functions. Enter setting sound page. We can hear ringtone with loudspeaker. Then we test the microphone function.
Hello.
Here we know that microphone works well too. Let's take a look what do they perform during telephone call. Phone call was connected. With the test, we know none of the ear speaker, loudspeaker, and the microphone work anymore. After confirm the problem, let's power off the phone. Remove LCD screen and take out the motherboard. When we confront this problem, we need to check the inter-IC sound bus, which connect both AP board and baseband board. From diagram, we can see the solder joints of 4 inter-IC sound buses. So does the telephone call problem was caused by them? Now let's start the repair to figure it out. Put the motherboard on Sunshine T12A heating station. Set temperature to 185 degrees. Separate two boards after middle layer soldering tin melted. Now we take out the baseband board and check it carefully. Here we can see some trace of damage and false solder, which shows the baseband board has a problem. And then let's check the AP board. At the same position, there are traces of false soldering. After inspection, we found the problem reason. The inter-IC sound buses has resulted in a telephone call no sound problem. Next, let's fix this problem step by step. After checking the diagram, the other incomplete solder joints are GND solder joints, which don't need resolder again. So we just need to recover the inter-IC sound buses to restore the sounds. Remove the extra GND solder joints and put the baseband board on heating station. Apply solder paste flux on the solder joints and align AP board straightly with baseband board. Setting the heating station to 185 degrees. After two boards jointed again, cooling down and take it out, and install it back to the iPhone XS. Connect all flexes and screen back. Power on and insert SIM card to test the telephone call function again. Telephone call connect. The ear speaker works well. Loudspeaker sound is big and clear. By now, the sound missing problem during telephone call was fixed perfectly. What kind of motherboard repairing do you like to watch? Welcome to leave your comments and subscribe our channel. If you need tools we use in the video, please click the link below and visit our website for more choices.